the people that we're hiring have so much knowledge, and they really probably are not given enough credit for what education has done for them, or what job experience has done for them. But if you can rely on some good people to help you, you can't do it by yourself. You have to surround yourself with good people, and we've been really fortunate in making sure that that's who we're hiring, and those people are fundamental in that movement forward, and that unfortunately not the straight line to success. More like kind of a web,
Yeah.
but it certainly makes it a lot easier if you can rely on it, so that you can get some sleep and maybe some free time to take a holiday, and because you really do need to recharge your batteries. You can't do it 24/7.